Good morning, students. Myself, Savita Alfred, welcomes you in e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Today, I am going to teach you Class 6th English, Chapter 2, Wild Duck. In my previous videos, I have taught you Chapter 2 and its 6 paragraphs. Yesterday I have taught you the man and his son were sitting in a small, motionless boat to hunt the wild ducks, and the man was teaching his son how to shoot the birds with the gun. It was evening time, so the wild ducks were coming to their home in a large numbers. When when the son saw a large number of wild ducks, he became speechless because watching birds was his passion. And the boy says, "Wow, they must be in millions." And then he saw half of the sky was covered with the wild ducks. When the ducks came just there overhead, the man started firing until his gun emptied. But he could not kill a single wild duck and said, "They are too high, so I could not kill them." Now, our next paragraph is his son slowly raised his rifle. He had a more patient and steady hand. He picked a single speck out of the mass in the sky, the leader of a formation flying towards them. He aimed and fired. The speck plummeted. "You got the leader," the man cheered. Another bird swiftly took its place. They were all leaders by instinct. The explanation of this paragraph is when his father's all bullets got over, then his son slowly took up his rifle because his son was more patient than his father. He was not in hurry and he was waiting. He was steady hand. Steady hand means he was in balanced hand. And he chose a formation from the large number of wild ducks. And he chose A-shaped formation of the wild ducks. The boy aimed the leader of A-shaped formation and fired, and the speck plummeted. Plummeted means fell very fast and suddenly. So, leader fell very fast. And the man was very happy to see this. "You got the leader." And meanwhile, another bird took its place. Its place means leader's place. The another bird came fast and took the leader's place. They were all leaders by instinct. Instinct means in the way animals naturally behave without having to think or learn about how to act. So, the all wild ducks are natural leader. That's why when the leader was fallen, another wild duck took its place. Our next paragraph is "I want to find it." The boy put down his rifle and took the paddle. "Did you see where?" "It fell just behind the bulrushes." "Go round that way." The boy moved the boat against the tide of teal still wheeling overhead. His arms trembled as he pulled the paddle through the black water. The explanation of this paragraph is the boy kept down his rifle and said to his father, "I want to find it." Find it means find the fallen duck. He took his paddle and asked to his father, did you see where did the wild duck fall? Then his father told, it fell just behind the bulrushes. Bulrushes means plants with tall stems that grow near river and lakes. So his father said, go round that way. Then boy moved the boat against the tide of teal. Tide of teal means I have already explained you. Teal means wild ducks. So the large flock of wild ducks moving together, still wheeling overhead. Wheeling means flying around in the circle. Then his arms shook as he pulled the paddle through the black water, means he was frightened to watch the sight because a large flock of wild ducks moving together and flying around in circle where the duck had fallen. Our next paragraph is, I think I can see it, he said, leaning forward. There was a lump floating on the water. On it was a broken wing, pointing at the sky like the ragged sail of a toy boat. The boy lifted the paddle and they glided up to it. He bent over the side and scooped it up. Well done, the man said. His son was silent. The explanation of this paragraph is, then the boy said, I can see it, by leaning forward. There was a lump floating water. Lump means a piece of something solid of any size or shape, and its wings were broken and pointing at the sky like the ragged sail. Ragged sail means broken boat of a toy or a toy boat. Then the boy lifted the paddle and they glided up to it. He bent over and scooped it up. Scooped means take something out. So the boy took out the wild duck from the river and his father said happily, well done. But the boy was silent. It means he was not happy. He was sad. So he was silent. Okay, students, today I have taught you these paragraphs of chapter 2. Hope you have understood it. Learn and write word meaning of chapter 2 in your copies and read these paragraphs and try to understand the explanation. Students, you are at home. I am also at home. Hope you are well, safe and healthy. So students, stay at home, stay safe and keep learning. Rest of paragraph I will teach you tomorrow in my next video. So thank you.